stop that share, and I'm going to share another thing. All right, does everybody see this screen here? That says meter,
Yes.
2 types. All right. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to review stuff right now, and so I'm reviewing meter first here, and so it says down here, it says meter. There's 2 types. They are simple and compound. So simple meter means it has subdivisions of 2. And if I spell something wrong, let me know or ignore it. All right. So that means every beat gets divided in half, 1 and 2. And then you can divide those subdivisions in half again, 1 and 2. And that was wrong. You know, so the 8th note can get, the quarter note would be the beat. The 8th note is the subdivision. Then you can divide the 8th note into 16th notes. Does everybody understand what I mean? Are they all muted, Ed?
Yeah,
We understand
I
you.
understand you.
All right.
I understand you.
There's a
Yes,
there's a
sir.
chat
Loud and
box.
clear.
Listen up. There's a chat box that you can bring up. Does everybody know where that is? And if you have a question or something, you should type it in there, okay?
Okay.
I am monitoring the chat
Yes,
box.
sir.
I am not monitoring the video because I'm using a laptop, which is all I got that has a camera.
Yeah.
All right. So simple meter is subdivisions of 2. So compound meter is subdivisions.
Of 4.
I'm glad you weren't in my class, of 3. All right. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and simple was 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on and so forth. So compound meter could be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and also. So we have 3 types of beats. All right. The first one is duple, and duple means 2. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. And triple means 3. This is all pretty obvious, but I'm going to put it together. And quadruple means 4. All right. So again, you have 2 types of meters, simple and compound, and then you have 3 types of beats, which is duple, triple, and quadruple. So if I was to say something was simple triple, all right, I'm putting these together now, simple triple. Simple triple means I have, let's start with the first one, simple duple. Duple means I have 2 beats, and simple means that I have subdivisions of 2. So that's basically something like 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So now if I go simple triple, that means I have 3 beats, because triple is 3, and subdivisions of 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 1, excuse me, let me start all over again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And then we have quadruple. So something that is simple quadruple is 4 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. Are we all good there?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So now let's go back to simple meter. All right. 4 4 right here. Do you see this? It says 4 4.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So if 4 4. Which one is that down here? You start out by saying it's either simple or compound, and
Simple
then
quadruple.
duple or or number of beats. So who said what? Simple what?
Simple
Simple
quadruple.
quadruple.
Quadruple. All right. Now the upper number in this is what? Does anyone know? What's it represent?
Which one?
We're looking at 4 right here.
The number of beats in the
Yeah,
The measure, and what's the 4 below that mean?
The
one
beats.
time.
Time for the, like.
How many notes is in the
It would be a
meter?
yeah.
All
That.
right, here's what it is. The upper number is the number of beats. The lower number is what note gets the beat.
Yeah.
That's important. What note gets the beat? And 4 means a quarter.
Quarter note.
Sorry, real quick. Let me just, okay.
Oh, let's see. So here I got another one. It says 3/4. What is it here?
3 beats to a measure.
What is it?
Let's just start out by 3/4. What's the 3 mean?
It's 3 beats.
3 beats to the
Beats in the measure.
And what's the 4 mean?
Gets the
What
beat.
note gets the beat?
What note gets the beat? Let's
Quarter note.
edit this, and I'm going to edit this. And now here I got 3/16. What's that mean again? The upper
That
note is what?
means there's 3 notes to a measure.
Right.
And
the
16
means
16 notes gets the beat.
it gets the beat.
Perfect. All right. So does that mean there's how many beats are in that measure again?
3.
3.
3. All right. So I'm going to do this one here, and I'm going to go back to this. 3/8, 3/16. How many beats are in?
Three beats in the
beats.
measure.
8.
And the 8 note gets the beat.
All right. So what's the difference between 3/16 and 3/8?
3/16 is a simple. Oh wait, I gotta see that. It's a
Simple
simple
quadruple.
quadruple.
No.
And,
The three.
Oh,
It's triple, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Now, are we completely sure of that?
No.
Why? I remember why.
All right. All right. So let's bring in another factor then that most often works out well. Okay. So if you remember down here, if you have 2, 3, and 4, all right. 2, 3, and 4 usually mean simple time. I'm going to make this smaller. 2, 3, and 4 usually mean simple time. All right. That's the upper number. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Because 6, 9, and 12 usually mean compound time. Okay. So let me fix that little sentence up here. Put a comma. And another, oh, but somehow my 9 didn't come out, or I just erased it. Sorry. 6, 9, 12. All right. All right. So let's go back to 3/8. All right. So since it has a 3, it's probably means simple time. So it's simple. And there's 3 beats in it, right?
simple. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Now there's 3/16. What's the difference between the two?
One of them, the 16 note gets the beat, and the other one, the 8 note gets the beat.
Sure, that's right. But let me just count it. I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Which one is 3/16?
Is it quadruple?
The 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Let me count it again.
The second one you did.
Count it again. Let me count it again as compound. 1 and 2 and
Oh.
3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. All right.
That's 3/8.
All right. So what's 3/16?
1, 2,
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Well, the fact is that really they're the same thing.
Yeah.
But they both have 3 beats in them. They're both simple time. It's just a matter of what gets the beat. All right. So, and I'll be honest with you, the difference between them is how easy they are to read. Do you understand what I mean by that?
Yeah.
I've never seen 3/16. I've seen 3/8, but I have not seen 3/16. Usually, when you're doing something on 3/8, you're probably going at 100 miles an hour. Anyways, let's go beyond that and let me come up with another time signature here. Let's see, time signature. Boom. Why did I get a dot? Oh, let's see. Oh, here we go. All right, 2/2. Because
2
it's got
beats
a
per
2,
minute.
because it's got a 2, it's going to be simple time, right?
Mhm.
So there's 2, and what gets the beat?
The second
Half
note.
note. Half note.
Right. So if the half note gets the beat, that means there's kind of like 4 quarter notes in it, right?
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
the quarter note is the subdivision of the
No,
beat.
that's not cut time because if it was cut time, it would have the C. Yeah.
You're wrong. Yeah, the cut time would have the C with the line through it. Okay. And this 4/4 can be just a C. That's common time.
Mm-hmm.
Does everybody understand that? Unfortunately, I can't write that in there or force it to do that. All right. But let me just ask you this. If there's 4 quarter notes in this 4/4 right here, then there's 4 quarter notes in 2/2. What is the difference?
4 quarter notes in 2/2.
Versus the
Is
4.
there a different way? Is there a different way how you count it?
Yeah, it is. That's right. Different way how you count it. But somebody said 4 quarter notes in 2/2. Well, the subdivision of a half note is a
You would
quarter
just put
note.
2 half notes there, right? No,
Well,
or
two
just
half
one
notes-
half note.
2 half notes is the same as 4 quarter notes, right?
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So someone went back to how you count it. All right.
So you would do 8 notes.
I don't think we're getting that's not really what I mean, but all I was trying to do is point out that a lot of people confuse 4/4 and 2/2 to be the same because of the way you count it. But it's really not the way you count it. And I'm gonna count this without the subdivisions. I'm gonna count 4. All right. Now listen to what I say. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you hear my different inflections in my voice on how loud they were?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna beat on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see where the accent of the beat is? In 4/4, you have 2 accents. You
Okay.
have
Oh, I see.
an accent on beat 1 and beat 3. Now, beat 1 is much stronger than beat 3's accent, but the other 2 beats are really weak. So to some degree, you have 2 stronger beats in 4/4. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, and the second beat would be the third weakest beat, and the last beat is always the weakest beat. Okay. Now we go to 2/2. All right. Cut time. All right, cut time. I'm just going to count it regular with no subdivision. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see, we really only have one strong beat. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Good. I got a yes. All right.
Is there
Does anyone not understand that?
me,
Who's me?
Joseph?
Joseph. All right. Okay. So since we only have 2 beats in cut time, we have a strong beat and a weak beat. But since we have 4 beats in common time, which is 4/4, we actually have 2 strong beats. The one being the strongest, 1, and then a weak beat, 2, and then 3 has a little bit more accent on it, and then 4, the 4th beat is the weakest. Does that help you out any?
Sit down.
Say again.
Yeah, that's good. That breaks it down. Thank you.
Okay, and I'm really stressing this because when you look at meter and you're singing, and when you look at meter when you're playing, it's really important to understand the meter. All right. So I'm just gonna break these out of here for a second, and we're just gonna talk about the 3 most common ones that we see. All right.
I have a question, Mr. Travis.
Yes.
Are we going to receive a syllabus?
I have a syllabus, but I can't post it because I don't have
Oh.
control of the class yet.
Not even Canvas?
I don't have control of your class in Canvas. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Hey,
but
this is
can
Dr.
Mr. Moore?
Hey, I actually still have control over it, and we're trying to get it switched over as soon as possible. Anything that he wants to put on there in syllabus or anything, he's going to send me, and I'll post it. But hopefully in the next couple of days, we'll have this straightened out. So thank you for your patience.
Okay.
All right. And you can correct me if I'm wrong, but these are the 3 most common key signatures or time signatures that we see in music. All right, 4/4, 3/4, and 2/4. The first one is simple triple. Simple quadruple. The second one is simple triple, and the third one is simple duple. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Yes.
I disconnected for a little bit. I'm sorry. I didn't catch any of that.
Okay. Let me fix this for a minute because it just screwed up, and I'm sorry. Sometimes it's hard to. I want this to be 2 beats, and I want half notes. All right, here we go. This is what I said. I said these are the 3 most common time signatures that we see in simple time nowadays.
Okay.
4/4, simple time. 3/4 is simple, and 2/2 or cut time is simple. Okay. So 4/4 means it's simple quadruple because there's 4 beats. 3/4 means it's simple triple, 3 beats, and 2/4 is simple duple. Do we understand that?
Yes.
Good. All right. So now I'm going to talk about compound time. Compound time, and I'm going to move over a little bit. I wish this thing wouldn't get in my way. I want to go to measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the 3 most common compound time signatures we see are, let me put 4 beats in here. And the dotted quarter gets the beat. Our 12/8. 9/8. And 6/8. All right. So what this is representing is not what most people learn. And I know this is just a review. What most people learn is there's 12 beats in the measure and the eighth note gets the beat, or there's 9 beats in the measure and the eighth note gets the beat, and there's 6 beats in the measure and the eighth note gets the beat. And I understand that from the perspective of a teacher just trying to teach somebody how to read music when they're young. And I understand that. But as a musician at this point, you have to understand that that's really not the case. All right. 12/8. I'm going to copy and paste the chart over here again. Means I got to get that out of the way. All right. It didn't like me, probably because I did the Windows version of it. Sorry. All right, so 6, 9, and 12 usually mean compound time. So here's 6, here's 9, and here's 12. I know they're backwards. I'm sorry about that. But anyways, so 12 means you have 4 beats. All right. Nine means how many beats? Anybody?
3.
3. 6 means
2.
2.
all right. So, I mean, remember that we really only have 2, 3s, and 4s. All right. Here it is. 2, 3, and 4 is in simple time. 6, 9, and 12 usually mean compound time, but the actual idea of the simple, or excuse me, duple, triple, and quadruple is the same here, because here's the duple one. So 6/8 means it's duple. 9/8 means it's triple. And 12/8 means it's quadruple. So if I was looking at 12/8, I would call this compound quadruple. Does everybody understand that?
Dr.
Yes.
Shriver.
Yes, sir.
Dr.
Uh,
Shriver.
Yes.
Antonio Kemp can't get in the Zoom call. He texted me and said he couldn't get in.
I see it in her.
All right. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay.
I don't like the waiting room.
Yeah.
Anyways, so what's 9/8? Well, no, let me go back to 12/8. 12/8, 12 means 4 beats. All right.
Compound quadruple.
12 means compound, so it's compound quadruple. All right. So what's 9/8 mean?
Compound triple.
Compound triple.
Does everybody understand that that's compound triple?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
6/8?
Compound duple.
Compound.
Quadruple.
Right.
Compound quadruple. Oh,
Compound,
wait, 6/8? Oh,
Compound
Compound
duple.
duple.
Compound duple.
Compound duple.
Compound duple.
12/8 sounds like this. One,
Yours.
listen up. 1 and 2. Just keep getting somebody talking. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and there's the 4 beats, and the and is, if you added them all up, was 12. 9/8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 6/8 is 1 and 2 and. So if you think about when you're in band and you're doing a march, they go to the trio. The trio is usually in. I can't really say that, but when you go into anything compound, the conductor's not beating out all the beats. All right, because again, the 8th note below that, below the 12 or below the 9 or below the 6, is telling you what subdivides the beat. All right, so 8th note subdivide the beat, and it's in compound time, and compound means 3. That means for each beat you're going to have 3 subdivisions. Does everybody understand that?
No, sir.
All right, so 12/8. How many beats are there in the measure?
Well,
No, there's not 12.
8.
oh,
There's not 8. Now you're guessing.
I'm about to start.
All right, see what I got selected here? Don't guess. If you don't know, I understand that. But spurting out every answer you can think of doesn't help you, because then if you keep spurting out answers, eventually you'll probably run into the right answer. But I because it and it's right here on the screen. 12 means 4 beats,
Oh.
and it was highlighted. But again, compound time does not mean there's 12 beats in the measure and the 8th note gets the beat. In compound time, 12 means 4. And the 8th note gets the subdivision of the beat. In other words, there are 3 8th notes in every beat. Let me demonstrate here. There it is. See, here's beat 1. All right. 1 and here's beat 2. 2 and here's beat 3. 3 and then here's beat 4. 4 and So we have 12 8th notes. All right. But since it's in compound time, that lower number always means what gets the subdivision of the beat. So let's see. Let me write this down to make sure we got it. How are we doing on time, Ed? Do you know? Cool.
15.
All right.
Tough.
All right. So the lower number in compound time always means what gets the subdivision of the beat. All right. So does that make that a little bit clearer?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
here's 9/8, and I'm just gonna do this again. I don't want to do that. I don't know how to use that tool. And I can make the notes look funny or different. Let me delete the extra note that I have. Sorry. All right. So here is, instead of it being straight, here's just some sort of musical thing. Started on C, went do, so, la, do, mi, so. I didn't really mean to do that, but and then it ended with an A minor triad. Ooh. Anyways, so there's 9/8, 3 divisions of the beat. All right. So again, in compound time, you divide the beat into 3, and the lower number is what gets the beat. Okay. So when I want to do that, all I wanted to do is move it forward. In 6/8, are you hearing my piano sound?
Yeah. Slightly.
That it's being picked up by my microphone because it's coming out of the computer and my microphone's pretty responsive. All right, so there's 8. You can see there's 6 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it's the subdivision. This counts 1, 2,
So it'd
1.
be just
2.
one N or two N. Okay.
That's right. Okay. And remember how we were talking about compound time only gets 2 beats?
Mm-hmm.
Strong beat and a weak beat. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and the only difference between like 6/8 and cut time, I might have said compound time, I meant cut time, 2/2, is what gets the subdivision of the beat. In 9/8, we have 1 strong beat and 2 weak beats. 1 and 2 and 3. And in 12/8, you have 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all right. So there's still have the same accents whether they're duple or excuse me, simple or compound. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So what do you know about that? What do you know about? Let's see. I got to get my piece of paper up and look see what I.
What do we know?
Yeah. Well, let me ask you this.
Hard as you.
DJ McLeod, are you there? The person that typed in the chat box. He's drawing all over my thing.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hit my unmute button and it hit the pen and everything. I'm here.
Oh, that's okay. You hit the pen. You need to erase this other part right here.
Oh yes, okay.
Anyways, I'm hoping that you can to type some of these things in the chat box for me. All right. Can everybody see the chat box?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I see it.
So we have 7 scale degrees. Can anybody name the name of the first scale degree that starts on 1? Let me give you.
Repeat.
All right, we have 7 scale degrees. Can anybody name the name of the scale degree that is scale degree 1?
Tonic.
What was
Tonic.
that? Tonic.
Tonic.
Put that down.
Oh.
I forgot.
Wait, were we not supposed to put it in the chat?
Oh, tonic. I thought you said Sonic.
Where you finna eat at?
What
Are we
about?
supposed to say it or put it in the chat?
Well, no. Am I pronouncing the name correctly, McLeod?
McLeod.
Cloud. It says M. Oh, okay.
MCLEOD, McLeod.
Oh, but you got a capital L there. Is that the way? Well, I'm sorry. But anyways, we're just going to say it. She's going to type it in. Scale degree 2. Who knows what that's called?
Super
Supersonic.
tonic.
The supersonic.
Tonic. All right. And
I
I
barely remember anything.
I remember those.
tell you why these are important. Because we're going to start talking about chords in those terms. Okay.
Mhm.
Like, did you guys use Roman numerals?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sort of, kind of, yeah.
That was the way you talk about anything using the same language and any key. Doesn't matter what key you're in, the 5 is the 5, so on. Well, the same thing happens with these terms. All right. So scale degree 3, does anyone know what the name of that term? The name of that
Median.
Median.
right on. And are you still typing in here?
I was talking. Okay. I'm gonna type now.
All right. Supertonic and then tonic. I got 5 minutes, right, Ed?
Yeah.
7.
We're gonna be back here tomorrow, but I gotta stop. I gotta stop right now. Well, let's just finish this. So we had tonic, supertonic, and mediant.
Submedian.
Subdominant.
Subdominant.
Subdominant is scale degree 4.
What is it?
Dominant
Dominant.
subdegree 5.
Dominant.
Then submedian. Then leading tone.
Submedian, then leading tone.
All right. So can anyone tell me what the subtonic scale degree is? Trick.
Uh-huh.
Subtonic.
What was the question?
Subtonic.
Said subtonic scale degree.
Actually
6.
more than. No, it's not the 6th scale degree. But if you remember your chapter from minor,
7.
Is it sub?
7.
tonic.
What?
Remember yet? Listen. So you got a
7 in a minor scale.
key bearing minor scale. I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
bearing minor scale has these scale degrees: tonic, supertonic, median, subdominant, dominant, submedian, excuse me, and subtonic.
Yeah, it's a minor. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the scale degree that's a whole step below the tonic. And then we put these inflections of the leading tone in there, right?
Yes.
All right. All right, I'm going to stop right there. But anyways, I kind of got a huge problem. I really can't do this class at 4 o'clock.
That's fine. We can do it earlier.
Is there anyone in this class that has a 1 o'clock class?
No.
No.
Let me see.
Hold on, I
Not at
gotta check
all.
my schedule to make
I
sure.
gotta check it.
Well, while you're checking,
Check mine.
So Dr. Schreiber,
Yeah, but they changed it for because they only had one instructor to teach.
I have a lot of to be announced classes. So I don't know if they're gonna be at 1 or not.
He's a smart.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know.
the music classes.
I'm still looking.
No,
I
they
don't
are
know.
not.
I don't know what time my piano class is gonna be.
I
so-
have
I don't know what time my
general
voice classes are gonna be.
psychology and all of those.
I understand your voice class, but the voice thing in this class. The piano class has a set time.
I have to take that too.
Mine doesn't.
You must have a piano lesson.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's different. That could all be worked out. Okay.
I have a 1 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Okay. Well, then you can just skip my class. No, how about 11
You
o'clock?
almost caught the Holy Ghost. Don't do that.
I have a class at 11.
11 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I have a
class is
class.
at 11.
Yeah, I have class 11.
Here's what I'm trying to avoid: doing an 8 o'clock class.
Oh no!
Good God.
Oh no!
2 o'clock work, don't we? No, we don't got nothing at 2. Does anybody have anything at 2? It's 2 works.
I don't have a class at 2.
I have a class at 2 o'clock.
Ah,
I have comprehensive health at 2.
You can do 1 o'clock.
Oh, who's the teacher?
We just tried 1 o'clock. We just tried that.
How about, and somebody's got a class at 11. How about 9
I have a class.
As long
Yeah,
as
I
it's
got a
not
class
on
at
Tuesday.
now.
Do they offer?
Oh, I do have a class on
What,
that.
what semester do they? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot.
We have a 9:25
That's
yes,
25 on Tuesdays.
and Thursdays.
got to figure it out because there is no way that I can teach this class. But we'll try to figure something out. My problem is, I'll be honest with you, my problem is I have 5 different online classes that I got to put up stuff for. Now,
Oh, Jesus.
we're recording this, and I'm going to be posting this to Canvas. You can come back and look at it. And I do plan on posting these videos to Canvas. You can come back and look at your videos if you got questions about what's going on. If you miss a class, you should be able to come back and look at it. Now that's my plan at the moment, but I'm not sure how that's going to work. And just so you know, the only way I can post this stuff on Canvas is to post it on YouTube, close the page off, and allow people to allow you all with the allow Canvas people with the link to view it. So I post the link in Canvas. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to put anybody in a spot. So I mean, I'm trying to work out the details of that. Anyways, one way or the other, I'm going to see you tomorrow at 4 o'clock, right?
We have a class tomorrow at 4 o'clock.
We have the class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, don't we?
No.
Ooh, chillax.
I thought it was.
You know.
Edward Morse.
Yes, sir.
This is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday class. Isn't that correct?
That is correct.
Who did
Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday class?
Okay.
Are you a transfer student?
Yes, sir, I am.
Oh, okay. Who am I talking to?
Cheyenne.
Okay, Cheyenne. Pleasure to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Arcola.
Anyways,
but-
it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday class.
Yes.
All right. Okay,
Diane, you went to Hollandale?
tomorrow.
Yeah.
So you need to do yourself a favor. Look
Uh,
over these your book.
I
Okay?
went to Hollandale and graduated from
All right.
Simmons. Yep.
Simmons.
Class. What class?
All right,
18.
now listen up.
Okay.
We got to end this meeting, but you need to do yourself a favor this week when we are reviewing, is to learn that material every day. If you don't do that, you'll be lost in 2 more weeks. Okay? I'm doing 4 days of review. We spent most all of the day on rhythm. Okay? On Monday, we will start with part writing.
Okay.
So it's really, really important that you take this review seriously. Anyways, I'll send Edward Morse my syllabus. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, everybody.
I will have the video to this posted tonight, and I will also have the syllabus posted tonight. So hang in there. Thank you for being flexible. Okay, everybody? See you tomorrow.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
At the
Same
same time.
Same time tomorrow. Same time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you there, Ed?
I am.
All right. Are we the only ones here? Anyways,
Yeah, we are now.
are you going to send out another link, or is it the same link?
Well, you're embedding these files from YouTube in your Canvas page, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. And
Just do it on your page at the moment.
yep.
And then, but still give me the file so when I take it over, I can put it on my page.
Yeah,
All right.
we'll do.
I'm going to send you to which email address do I need to send?
Send it to my MVSU. Send it to edward.morris@mvsu.edu.
I'm going to send you a PDF, and it's not a perfect syllabus at the moment. Okay.
It's fine. I'll take care of it.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Of course. See you later, man.